Toy TFX in Turkey, F-16 in Taiwan, Rafale in France, Eurofighter Typhoon in Spain, F-15 Eagle in Saudi Arabia, Tejas in India, F-16 in Indonesia, KF-21 Bromai in South Korea, Atlas Cheetah in South Africa, F-22 Raptor in United States, Sukhoi Su-57 in Russia, Saab 39 Gripen in Sweden, Panavia Tornado in Germany, Saab 39 Gripen in Brazil, F-7 BGI in Bangladesh, Chengdu J-20 in China, F-35 in Australia, Boeing F-15 in Qatar, Helvan HA-300 in Egypt, F-16 in UAE, JF-17 Thunder in Pakistan, F-16V in Morocco, HAG-200 in United Kingdom, Eurofighter Typhoon in Italy, Isa Qausar in Iran, F-35 in Canada, Sukhoi Su-30 in Armenia, Mitsubishi F-2 in Japan, Lal Kifir in Israel, MiG-29 in Ukraine. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.